We have a train.
There's the next car that's going to be on display.
Oh yeah, I can't wait to see that. Your dog.
Where is he? I see it.
Museum. This is our most recent restoration, and it's been open to the public since April of last year. It's a 1912 Pullman Palace that belonged to Clara Baldwin Stalker. Clara was the oldest daughter of Elias Jackson Baldwin, better known to be called Lucky Baldwin. Lucky came here during the gold rush, and he made his money in the real estate, hotel, and mining business.
Smart. Not for me. There's a step. She lived in this, right? Or just traveled?
For this section here, for the inside, it's somebody else.
Look at this. This is a bedroom. Is this beautiful or what? The brass beds are built up on wood bases for greater support while traveling and to allow room for trunk storage beneath them. Beautiful. Unbelievable.
Well, a boxcar is about
That
19.
door's kept locked. Now remember, we are in a train
They don't look that way.
that's on the tracks all the time. It goes clickety clack clack down the track.
Those used to look
brass
put plywood in a boxcar. Have about
This is the powder room. Look at this. Look at that little bathtub. Is that pretty? And the little toilet. And the little sink. And you could take a shower. Look at that. And I guess when you flushed it, it just go on the track.
Yeah.
Clap, clap, plop, plop. Bedroom. Look at this beautiful bedroom. Look at that. And then you got a pull down bed from up there. And a little chandelier up there. And cabinetries. And look at your little dresser. Beautiful. A closet. I mean, what more could you ask for as your clickety clack clack down the track? Look at this. Look how many people you could have. Look at this. The sheets, towels, and the staterooms are all original Pullman products that were provided by the company for the owners of the custom-built rail cars like the California. Look at this. You even got a fan up there. I mean, these windows you can open. Oh, they're so cute. And look at this is a door you can close. More storage. And this is instructions. Oh, look at the kitchen. Look at this kitchen. Look at that stove. It's called the Crawford stove.
And the sink.
And the sink is stainless steel. I mean, what's not to like?
Yeah, we're coming to the end here.
I know, but look at this. You know, the flooring. Because you know, so you don't lose your grip. Is that you? Look here, the servants would.
They slept
Right
next to the toilet. In bunk beds.
Oh, yeah. How about that?
Oh, this is fantastic. This is fantastic. Please watch your step. Watch your steps. Please watch your step, honey. And this is the train that pulls it.
Oh.
Look at this train. Canadian Pacific. Can you believe it? That was her home.
Man.
She bought that for her home instead of just, she could go anywhere she wanted to. You read me?
Yeah.
Would that be fun?
What a train.
The train, the train, the train.
I'm on goddamn railroad now, huh?
Wow.
Hey, this is
That was
great.
nice, wasn't
This
it?
has been a great trip. Thank you, Rodney.
Yes.
This was all due to Rodney.
That's right. Thank
You've been
you.
up here before? Who would know this would be in Sylmar?
Of all places.
And all the other goodies, we don't have time to go through that, but that has more cars, more antiques, and it's like a palace inside. It's so nondescript.
Hmm.
I mean, it just looks, you know, like a warehouse, but it's not. And hey, you know where Gump went? Where's Gump?
No.
Well, you went right there. His brother, him went into business. It's called the Andy Gump. And that's a porta potty.
I'll be damned. Right, that's their head office.
That's the head office now.
Maybe they're in there. Let's go visit them. Look at that train. Wow.
This train. This train, don't know this train. I'm gonna board my train. Do all your worries on the track. Hey, that's what she did, the owner of this.
It was her money. She could
Yeah, it was
spend
her money. Her son sued her because she spent $1 million, right?
Right.
First year, she had $10 million. Yeah, within 6 months. So he sued her, and she said, hey, I'm the lady with the money. I can do what I want. She inherited it from her father. And so then after that, she buys the train, a whole caboose thing in the back, or section of train. And this to travel. And they thought she was nuts. You saw it. You just saw it. We went through there. It's beautiful. She died when she was what?
80, but she didn't get her hands on the money until she was in her 60s. So she was making up for lost time.
That's what happened. She didn't get her money. She didn't get her money on. She didn't get her hands on the money until she was 60. So she was making up for lost time, things that she wanted and the places she wanted to go. What? Hi. The Nethercutt people. Elevation 1200. That's where you're walking. Okay. The 1912 Pullman rail car, California. Clara Baldwin Stalker, eldest daughter of E.J. Lucky Baldwin, millionaire, miner, rancher, and California pioneer, commissioned the California in 1912. Clara used the car for many years as a private coach before selling it in the 1930s to the Boston and Maine Railroad, where it became the superintendent's private office car. In the late 1950s, the car was retired to the Edville Railroad in Edville, Massachusetts, as a tourist attraction. In 1998, the Nethercutt collection brought the California to Sylmar, where it was restored to as new condition. Hey!
Well, thank you, Carol.
You're welcome. It was wonderful. Is